white fish, leafy green vegetable, pan-fried, low in fats, quick and easy recipe, no sugar and no beef or gluten. Oh, hello there. This is Bold Cook TV. Welcome back to my channel. And here's my pan-fried white fish with sautéed vegetable. Come on, let's do it. By starting with melted butter and some couple amounts of yellow onions. Then we add in some cuts of button mushrooms. Just saute it for a few minutes, then we season some salt and lovely pepper. Okay, let's give a quick dance and toast it. Add on some French beans and there you go. Give it a quick toast again. Pan with olive oil. Set your seasoned white fish with salt and pepper and cook it for a few minutes front and back. It's all good. Let's give a quick presentation here while waiting for our white fish to cook. So by setting up the green French beans and then your mushroom, and I found some cherry tomatoes left over in my fridge. I don't mind mixing it. And there you have it. It's very soft and healthy, mild white fish. Look how beautiful it is. Simple, pretty easy, quick dinner or lunch. You have this healthy pack of nutrients food on the table. Add on some garnish of fresh or dried oregano. It's done. For more quick and easy recipe videos, go and check on my channel. I have some couple of dishes there like fish, meat, I don't know, chicken, snacks, desserts. Go and have a look. You might like one of those. Thank you for watching everyone. Remember that it's always fun in the kitchen. This is Bold Cook TV signing off for now. Hope to see you again soon and saying bye bye.